Hey everyone, welcome to Trending Now USA. I'm your host, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Whether you're tuning in on YouTube or your favorite podcast platform, you're in for a treat because we're talking about one of the hottest topics right now, the rise of AI tools. From ChatGPT to AI-generated art, it feels like artificial intelligence is everywhere these days. But what does it all mean? How is it changing the way we work, create, and even think? That's exactly what we're diving into today. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's get into it. Alright, let's start with the basics. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't exactly new. It's been around for decades, but in the past year or so, it's exploded into the mainstream. And the reason? Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, and so many others have made AI accessible to everyone. But what exactly are these tools, and why are they such a big deal? Let's break it down. First up, ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of it, where have you been? Laughs. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. And it's basically like having a conversation with a super smart assistant. You can ask it to write essays, brainstorm ideas, even help you code. It's like having a personal genius in your pocket. But it's not just ChatGPT. There's also Midjourney and DALL-E, which are AI tools that create art. You type in a description, like a futuristic cityscape with flying cars, and boom, the AI generates an image for you. It's mind-blowing. And let's not forget about AI in everyday life. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation algorithms on Netflix and Spotify, AI is already a huge part of our lives. But these new tools are taking it to a whole new level. Now, here's the big question. Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the pro side, AI tools are making life easier for so many people. Writers are using ChatGPT to overcome writer's block. Designers are using Midjourney to create stunning visuals. And businesses are using AI to automate tasks and save time. It's leveling the playing field and giving people access to skills and tools they might not have had before. But on the con side, there are some serious concerns. For one, there's the fear of job displacement. If AI can write, design, and analyze data, what happens to the humans who used to do those jobs? And then there's the issue of ethics. Who owns the content created by AI? What happens if AI starts spreading misinformation? These are big questions that we're still trying to figure out. So, what do you think? Is AI the future? Or are we heading into dangerous territory? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright, it's time for my favorite part of the show, Trend or Trash. This is where we take a trending topic and decide whether it's worth the hype or if it's just plain trash. Today's topic, AI-generated influencers. Yep, you heard that right. There are now virtual influencers on Instagram and TikTok, created entirely by AI. They have thousands of followers, they promote brands, and some people don't even realize they're not real. So, what's the verdict? Trend or trash? I'll go first. I think it's a trend. Hear me out. AI influencers are a fascinating example of how far technology has come. They're creative, they're innovative, and they're definitely catching people's attention. But at the same time, it's a little creepy, right? Like, are we really okay with following someone who doesn't exist? What do you think? Drop a comment and let me know if AI influencers are a trend or trash. Alright, that's it for today's episode. We've talked about the rise of AI tools, the pros and cons, and even debated AI influencers. I hope you enjoyed the conversation as much as I did. If you found this episode interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. And hey, if you have a topic you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new ideas. Thanks for tuning into Trending Now USA. I'm your name, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring what's trending.